Hello everyone, we are at IMTEX 2023. It's the day 2 today and we are right in front of Hall 3. It's almost the lunch time and we see a lot of tired faces over here. Let us go and ask one of these people how are they feeling and how they have been doing this far. Hello sir, my name is Kritika and we are from Machine Maker and we just want to know how are you doing and how you came to know about IMTEX.
Okay, I was in the industry for the machine tool for the last 30 years now, so IMTEX doesn't need an introduction to me.
So, sir, what are you in search of right now?
Okay, so we, with this kind of my background, we have started an e-commerce platform, which is basically an iOS e-commerce website as well as Android and iOS apps as well. So, which will be basically a B2B portal for industrial products. So I'm just looking for some vendors, companies who are interested to participate. Yes.
Okay. Well, I hope you get successful in your venture. Well, how about the food, sir? How is that? Have you tried it?
How about the?
So the food, like you are in front of food truck.
I'm sorry, I haven't tried it yet, but I tried today. Yeah.
Okay. I would delay no more. I hope you enjoy your lunch. Well, I would suggest the biryani looks fine. It's 154 only. You can try that.
But that does not have any chicken or mutton pieces in the biryani.
Well, I would say that's a fake biryani then. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let us move on. Hello, sir. How are you?
Sir, I'm from Pune, not in Hindi, English.
अच्छा तो सर आप बताएंगे आप यहाँ पे कैसे आना हुआ आपका?
सर 2-3 साल में एक बार मैं आते रहता हूँ इधर। अच्छा, मेरा ट्रेडिंग का बिजनेस है। करीबन 2013 से मैं इधर आता हूँ।
अच्छा।
तो अभी ये कंपलसरी 1-2 साल का गैप मार के इधर आते रहता हूँ।
तो मेटल कटिंग जो एग्जीबिशन है वो तो अभी लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 4 साल के बाद हो रहा है। हाँ, तो आप लाइक लास्ट ऐसा क्या था जो आपने मिस कर दिया जो आप अभी खोज रहे हैं?
ये साल के पिछले साल का मिस, अभी ये साल जो मिस हो रहा है, जो और चाइना का जो कंपनी था वो भी चाइना का कंपनी जो मिस है, और कुछ जर्मन और साउथ अपना ये जापानीज़ और साउथ कोरियन भी थोड़ा मिस है, लेकिन जो स्टॉल ज़्यादा होता था वो इस साल कम है।
तो सर इंडियन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स का क्या ख्याल है? यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे इंडियन कंपनीज भी अवेलेबल है, उनके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं? क्या क्या आपको नया दिखा इस बार?
इंडियन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में अभी ये कुछ सालों से थोड़ा डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है। जो पिछले था ओनली ऑन खाली लेबर चार्जिंग, अभी इस साल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में लोग इंटरेस्टिंग ले रहे हैं, तो कुछ उसमें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में खुद का प्रोडक्ट इंडिया का कुछ बढ़ रहा है।
थैंक यू सर आपके समय के लिए। आप अपना लंच एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। वेल, लेट अस मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट पर्सन। हेलो सर, वी आर एट IMTEX. I just want to know like what is the purpose of you here?
I come every year, so just to explore some new automations or machines which are there.
Okay. Well, now that you have said that you have come every year, I would like to know what is this year that attracted you the most. Like this is the second day, so how is the difference? How you feel it?
It's more or less well organized. The crowd is much more over here today this year, and as compared to last year, there are many other participants which are not to be seen in the last few years. So this is one, and the focus on Industry 4, that is something which is bit, I would say, the differentiator as compared to the last year.
Well, I would say actually Industry 4 has taken a turn over the manufacturing industry as well. I will let you to enjoy your lunch today. Thank you for your time, sir. Let us move on and see what others are doing. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. We are very sorry to interrupt your lunch break. However, we would like to know what made you come here today at IMTEX. Today is the second day, and how are you feeling? How productive it is?
It's fantastic. We're having a great time at the show. Ceratizit has a booth right here in hall number 3. And yeah, it's been a fantastic show so far. We have a lot of people visiting our booth, seeing our products and our innovations and our solutions as well. Yes, it's been a fantastic show so far.
Well, I would say we were lucky to be at Hall 3 this time and we got to meet you. Thank you so much, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Ma'am, I would like to know, I would like to compliment you. Your sari looks amazing. Thank you, thank you. So, we would like to know, like, how you come here? Like, what made you come here and what was your purpose?
Well, it's IMTEX. How can we miss IMTEX? And that too after almost like after 3 years or something. So
Yeah, I would
we just can't miss it out. And Surat is definitely we need to be. So we are here.
Well, I would say it has been like four years, I believe. It skipped 1 year because of the pandemic and it took a toll on all of us, a lot of it. So, how are you enjoying your lunch break?
Lunch break? We are not even getting that. I just have to do a post and then okay, let me just relax and I just had a refreshment. That's it. We are ready to eat.
Well, as you can see, many of them are yet to eat. That is only because of the visitors who are non-stop at the IMTEX, and we hope your very best and we wish you all the luck. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please go enjoy some refreshments and stay hydrated, I would say.
Yeah,
Thank you
that's
so
more
much. Thank you so much for your time. Well, I would say this is IMTEX lunch break where there absolutely is no lunch. However, I would suggest everybody to stay hydrated and focus on whatever it is new.